Only in Australia, you save 2 million naira in a month. Or the possible?
It depends on in Australia.
Just normal average person now, 6 to 12. Yeah, to 6 to 12 hours every day for 5 days.
In a month, yeah.
Una de stress when I answer this question. Ne, cake should be Australia or through study or work or visit. Study. Are you in a recommend Australia for somebody to travel? Is it a good country?
Well, not trying travel. I'm gonna recommend Australia #1.
Number one, not even America's number one. In a recommend Australia more than America.
Yeah, they're all Australian.
Hey.
Another thing is we also just there. We have naturally go akwụkwọ. Yeah, just come more than juju. It's I were in anyhow course of an April. Omniga just come more than kwado onwe gị ọfụma. Go for courses to be good in lifetime with your generations among any issues.
Kedu utili course di ya nne?
Like ebe now, ego nothing. Ime physiotherapy. Ime occupational therapy. Ime radiography. Ime social work. Those courses now, you man compare to only known as international relations. And all those petty courses in the chance. So, ever now, the ego school ever the very expensive. Or galera no kuma. So, you know, be just ezigbo course to be go ya mana. Na ego bụ itinye go ya the man of 2 years in wait ya back.
Ikuloku physiotherapy. Iye therapy for 3 days. Iye therapy because ikuloku physiotherapy. Iye therapy power. Ilonu ga John Law na Australia. Ndị no Indonesia na-enweche heart palpitation. Ọ na-alọcha John Law. Some of them na-esi n'elu mafọ.
Ajọ ọrụ abụrụ maka country na onye ọbụla ga-emenwe ajọ ọrụ. Ọ ga-abụ based on ihe ịkpa ma ihe na social media ga-emenwe mmadụ onwe ajọ ọrụ. So bụrụ maka ebe the person nọ.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a student.
Yeah, kedu ibe na-agụ?
I'm na-agụ cyber security.
Ni na-agụ cyber security. Page ma dịkwa safe n'aka ya. Power! Your intellectual capacity is at equilibrium with that of Bish. I respect your person. I respect you. How long okay you agụcha and do you want to reside there after study?
Of course, I'm gonna like I'm gonna go to this year.
You go this year. You gonna like there. Nebiko Akejigi, are you still single? Akeji.
Personal life, personal information.
Personal information power.
Okay. Kita now. Nchọkandi mmadụ mara na ọ bụrụ sọsọ BSc na Masters eji Australia. Enwe ihe a na-akpọ certificate 3. Ihe a cost dị very cheap. For school fees higher up to 4 million. Mana ndị mmadụ ji abịa ebe ndị mmadụ amarọ. Ọ bụ na ijiro information ma nweta ndị people.
O level anyị abịa nwunye O level.
O level ka eji abịa.
O level.
But in Australia, age certificate 3, age diploma abịa.
Hey!
And inwe opportunity now, waited that certificate 3.
Sorry for interruption. Onye need the God bless Indonesia on my page. Ma block this guy need the God bless Indonesia on my page. Ma block this guy need the God bless Indonesia on my page. Obody man off flying pan. He need the God bless ya. Ne continue.
So now, in waited certificate 3. Certificate 3 for like a year and some months, some 3 or 2 years. So you wait and after that 2 years for certificate 3, iba diploma. After diploma, iba a BSc, Michokwa. After BSc, iba masters. It join all those years together in a course to 10 years. I know in my home meaning that is in we go 10 years pathway na this country. And your book idle, ọbụkwanụ ị na-agụ jos akwụkwọ, ị na-agụ ya, ị na-arụ ọrụ, and ịma ihe o mean. So ọ bụrụ onye ọbụla ga-eche ka o nweta ego masters before bịawa. Ọ bụrụ inwe ezigbo age ka ha cheke certificate na that diploma.
Age limit one.
The best for certificate 3 is the lower than diploma. So age onye dị 17, 18, 19, 20 dị mma for that certificate 3, even 21, 22 ka dịkwa okay. Then in order 25 o nwere ike bịa diploma or BSc and okay.
Nice
update notice na ndị mmadụ amara maka ya.
Power.
Very good pathway.
Or Melbourne ka Sydney ka ị nọ?
Anọ m Sydney.
Ị nọ Sydney? Nne, afọ m Sydney n'ilu ezigbo obodo. God bless you, power.